Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the exhaust blower in your Big E SP1000 pellet stove. The tools needed for today's project are a 3/8" socket driver and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. Before starting our project, first make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of your stove. Next, remove the 3 screws on the back of the stove that hold the side panel in place. The side panel can then be removed by pulling it down and out away from the stove. To begin replacing your blower, you'll first want to remove the proof of fire switch on the bottom outside of the housing for the blower. Remove the 2 wires, and then using your No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove both screws securing the proof of fire switch to the blower housing. Next, unhook the 2 wire leads connecting the blower motor to the wiring harness. Then, using your 3/8 nut driver, remove the bolts that secure the blower housing and blower motor to the stove. Before installing your new blower motor, you may need to inspect the seal from the old blower. If the seal is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Now, to install your new blower, support the blower with one hand and insert several screws with your other hand. Then, using your nut driver, install and tighten the remaining screws that you removed. Make sure that all screws are tightened properly before proceeding. Now that you've tightened all of the screws, connect the blower wire leads to the stove's wiring harness. Next, using the screws that came with, reattach the proof of fire switch to the blower housing and then connect the wire leads. You can now push the side panel back into place and replace the 3 screws securing it to the back side of the stove. Now that you successfully completed your repair and replaced the back of the stove, be sure to plug your stove back in and check for proper operation. Thank you for watching this edition of Burn Tech University. Should you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.breckwell.com or contact our customer service toll-free at 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching Burn Tech University.